Is the era of YAML and Terraform over? Today, I'm putting my 14 years of experience to the test to see if vibe coding can actually manage a production environment. In 2026, the barrier between idea and infrastructure has vanished. I'm currently orchestrating over 100 AI agents in my Azure environment. We aren't writing code anymore. We are prompting architectures. If you're still clicking buttons in the portal, you're already obsolete. Look at this. I'm using Cursor and GitHub Copilot. I give a high-level intent, and the AI handles the providers, the state files, and the secrets. This isn't just automation. It's a system reset for the global economy. From Silicon Valley to London, companies are desperate for AI operators, not just coders. They need people who can manage the vibe, but understand the logic. This is how you hit that high salary mark in this new economy. The agentic shift is here. Subscribe to Global Future Pulse to see exactly how I'm building the 2026 workflow. Let's build the future, one agent at a time.